Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, I demonstrated how we can configure .1x authentication, and now I am going to demonstrate how we can configure MAB authentication using Cisco ISE on Cisco switch. So .1x authentication uses username and password to get and to get user authenticated from Cisco ISE and give them network access. But in case of MAB Cisco switch only uses MAC address of the endpoint and get that user session to authenticate it from Cisco ISE. So we only need MAC address of the endpoint to be in the database of ISE, and we can assign a policy. So let's start from the switch. The switch configuration are pretty similar. Okay, so configurations we already did in last video where we demonstrated .1x authentication. So all the configuration related to AAA, RDS and everything will remain same. Under the interface, configuration of MAB, it enables MAB authentication on switch port and the authentication order. These two are important for MAB authentication. Okay, and on my laptop, I have already disabled .1x authentication. Okay, and I am going to disable my interface for now. Shut down. So MAC address of my PC is this one. Let's add this app in ICE. Go to work centers, identities, endpoint identities. I will create a identity group, endpoint identity group, map underscore lab. No need of this. And then I will create an identity. Space format different, so I'll change the format of MAC address and here static assignment. I will select my new group map. Single entry already exists because we have done map .1x authentication and profiling is enabled, so maybe it learn MAC address from there. So now let's go to endpoint identity group again, open this group and search for this, and this entry is already here. And now my PC MAC address is part of this group. Now let's create a policy results authorization profile add map underscore lab underscore profile. Similarly, I will assign same VLAN 92 commit. Okay, go to policy set. In this policy authentication, I'll create a new authentication policy map underscore auth condition will be map and authentication will be from internal endpoints. Now under authorization, map underscore auth condition auth condition be identity group. So I created this one, and the second condition would be wired map, then use, and here I will put my policy map lab profile. Save. So now let's go back to switch. Test it. I will do no shut. We'll start authentication process, authentication session. Log is showing that user is not available in the pod. Let's go back here. Application policy was not saved. Map underscore auth. And condition is word map in use. And here I will select internal endpoints. Authorization policy is there. Let's save and try it again. Liberty. Authentication is successful. Let's see the details. Okay, authentication success. VLAN is this one. IP address is this one. Okay, and I will be able to ping my gateway. IP on my interface is this one, 92.92. So now let's do one more thing. Let's push a DACL. The DACL which we have created in last video. Use same one, duplicate. I will name it as MAB DACL, and under my authorization profile MAB lab, I will assign this DACL. MAB DACL and submit. So let's test it once again. Shut down, shut session is successful. Starting the click their authentication session. No sir. And let's see. So authentication session. Starting data details. On the log. Define on DACL. It is not defining. Let's try once again. User file. Here. File is the correct file with DACL. So now let's test it again. Clear authentication session. Escape 1/0/3 shut. No shut. So authentication session. Authentication successful. Let's check details. Yes, now I can see in DACL here. So access list. This is the DACL which I configured on ICE and pushed to switch, and then just ping. So ping is not there. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.